Hi everyone, welcome. So let's make a DIY notebook. So I'm using this A4 size printing sheets and also cardboard and scissors. So let's make the base of the notebook first. So we have to cut the sheets from the half and I'm just folding it in this way. And I'm repeating and folding all the other sheets, and then finally I'm going to use a cutter to cut them through. This is the easiest way to cut the sheets like that, and it was so easy and quick. Now we are ready with the paper and it's time to cut the cardboard in the same size as the paper. So I'm just tracing the paper on the cardboard and then I will cut two sheets of the same size from the cardboard that I have. So I'm just tracing it one more time for the other piece of the cardboard, and then I'm going to cut it again very precisely and very slowly with the scissors. For this you can also use the cutter, but I prefer scissors for this one. So we are now ready with the base materials and now it is time to punch the holes. So we are arranging the cardboard and the paper in a sandwich kind of pattern, the cardboard then the paper and again topping it with the cardboard. So I have this punching machine and now I'm marking where I want to punch. So I really want to punch three holes for that, and I'm going to punch all the sheets first and then I will punch the cardboards as well using the same marking technique. So just use the first sheet that you have punched as a stencil to mark the places where you have to punch again for the other sheets, and in the same way I'm doing it for the cardboard, marking it and then I'm going to punch it through. And lastly we have the last piece of the cardboard which also I'm going to mark and then punch. So now it's time to assemble all of these all together. You can also use a ribbon or a wool, but I have something different. I have these rings that you can easily put through the holes and then just clip it. It's so easy to use, and after use even you can take them out and use it another time, change the papers, take out the papers. It's so easy. Even if you use a wool, you have to cut the wool if you want to take papers out or add some more, but with these it's so easy. So now I will assemble all of them together. Please watch it through. So this is how it looks, and I really love that it's quite functional. Because of this sturdy cardboard I can even use it without any support on the back side. So it's really great for that, and I cannot imagine that I just use a printing paper to create these. And I really like the cardboard, but still I'm not going to do it something inside right now, but I will decorate it from the outside. So I have a box full of some different papers, scrapbooking material, and it's so beautiful. So I'm going to select some of these and use it on the front side. So let's get started. I'm thinking to use this paper on the front. Top side I am going to start with here, and I'm going to just, without any precision, I would just take it, tear it, like this. So it doesn't have to be perfect. So I will paste this one here, and I'm going to use this one right here. So it gives a little different effect from what it was. So let's stick it. I'm going to use my glue. So I have this circle which I think I will be using here. I want to use half of it. So with this we have finished our crafting, and I'm going to punch the holes back there and assemble them all together. So this is the final look, and I am so happy with how it looks, so vintage. This is how I imagined doing it, and I'm so excited to start sketching in this notebook. This is customized, vintage, and so elegant to look at. I love it so much, and I enjoy doing this so much. If you also enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Also leave it in the comments how you like this DIY crafting, and I will see you guys in my next video.